Okay, so today we have a 2014 Mini in for a hood clean and reproof. You can see it's just down in these gutters, it's a bit dirty. Around the back, very, very green. Gets parked by a garage. And you just see up the top, it's not the best. It's having our special offer, the exterior detail. Just looking in, you can see all the grime. Very nice. But we will get it done. Done a repair on this roof about a month ago. Barely see it, just because it was a little hole. Obviously the customer don't want to pay over £1,000 for a new roof, so we're going to give it a good clean. It's got the exterior detail, so we'll get a couple of pictures and do the end video, which is done. It's been cleaned, everything's been cleaned, the car's been cleaned. So our special offer with the exterior detail. Roof's been cleaned, as you can see, minus the dust. It's a lot better. You come around the back, you've not got no green roof anymore, which is obviously good. We're just letting it dry. It took a lot longer than we thought, so we're going to leave it to dry overnight. We'll stick the coating on it in the morning. First thing, that's my first thing. As soon as I get in, I'm going to stick the coating on it. We're going to do the rubbers as well, which I'm going to do now. So all we've got to do in the morning is just come in, stick the coating on the roof, and then it'll be ready for you. So here it is, all done. It's the black Mini with the exterior detail and the hood clean and reproof. You can see the roof is looking lovely. There's no more green moss around the back. It's looking nice now. Have the exterior detail. See, it's nice and shiny. Roof's got the 2-year nano coating on it. We've Crytoxed all the rubbers and the drains have all been flushed. Quick look at the roof.